Next class. So before class we discussed 53rd problem. Now 54th problem. This is statement type. Statement 1. Fractions having the same denominators but different numerators are unlike fractions. Fractions having same denominators, for example, these are called which fractions? Same denominators means like fractions, but they given unlike. So this is wrong. So they given statement, first statement is wrong. Next statement 2. 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 6 by 11 are unlike fractions. Why? Because here all denominators are different. So statement 2 is true. Statement 1 is false. So which option is correct? 54th one, option D. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Next 55. Comprehension type questions. To convert unlike fractions into like fractions, find the LCM of denominator of all fractions. Change each given fraction into an equivalent fraction having denominator as the LCM of denominators of the given fraction. Means what here? Unlike fractions, how to convert into like fractions. Already so many problems we did. I am saying 55, 56, 57 homework. 56, 57 homework. So 51, 55, 2 by 3, 5 by 6. What we have to do here? Convert into like fractions. What we have to find? When we are converting, what we have to do? LCM of denominators. 3, 6, LCM 6 only. Why? Because 6 is a multiple of 3. So 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. 4 by 6. 5 by 6. Already denominator have 6. So no need to multiply. One table only. So 5 by 6. So if you convert 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 into like fractions, what you will get? Four by 6, 5 by 6. Option D, observe here. 24 by 36, 30 by 36. If you simplify, 6 5s are 6 6 are, 6 4s are 6 6 are. So 4 by 6, 5 by 6. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. So like this you convert to 56th, 57th problem and 58th. Matching also you can do. All of you try matching. Now let us see 59th problem. Let us see 59th problem. 59th. Which one is great? 2 by 5 or 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So from this which one is great? Of means what we have to do? Multiplication. 2 by 5 into 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 7 5s are 35 or 3 1s are 3. 4 2s are 8. So here which one is great they asked. We have to do cross multiplication. 8 into 8. 35 into 3. 8 8s are 64. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 105. So which is great? 3 by 8 only great. 8 by 35 is small. So what they asked? 3 by which one is great they asked? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 means which one? 3 by 4 of option B. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is great. So option B, great. Option B is correct. Next, 60, problem number 60. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 210 is equal to A. First find A value. What you will get? LCM 215 on 210 only. If you find LCM with 5 table, if you do 5 3s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are. So if 5 3s are 15, 15 into 14. What you will get? 15 into 14. 14 5s are 70, 14 1s are 14, 14 plus 7, 21. So 210, LCM 210. So 15 table how many times? 14 times, 14 by 210. 1 by 210 into 1 by 1, 1 by 210. So what you will get? 14 by 210 plus 1 by 210. 14 plus 1 how much? 15 by 210 means nothing but 15 ones are 15 14s are 1 by 14 A value. So therefore A value how much we get? 1 by 14. Like that we have to find B value also. 1 by 16 plus 1 by 112 is equal to B value. LCM 112. 16 table 112 how many times? 7 times. So 7 by 7. 7 by 112. So 1 by 112 into 1 by 1. 1 by 112. So what you will get? 8 plus 1. 7 by 112 plus 1 by 112. B value. 8 by 112. So 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are. So B value how much we get? 1 by 14. Then C value. What you will get? C value. 1 by 21 plus 1 by 42. It is also LCM 42 only. 1 by 21 2 times 2 by 42 1 by 42 1 time 1 by 42. So 2 by 42 plus 1 by 42 3 by 42 2 plus 1 3 ones are 1 by 14. So therefore C value also 1 by 14. So A value how much we get here? 1 by 14. B value also 1 by 14. C value also 1 by 14. So all are equal. So which is correct? Option D. A is equal to B is equal to C. So today homework problems 56, 57, 58 problems. So 60 problems completed. So next problems we will discuss in next class. 56, 57, 58 matching. All of you do carefully. Don't write in textbook. Write. Do in rough work in notebook. After you tick it options. So thank you. Have a nice day.